In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Google Calendar. If you're like most people, your calendar is a critical tool in managing your daily life, whether it's keeping track of work meetings, personal appointments, or project deadlines. By the end of this video, you'll have a streamlined and efficient Google Calendar setup that will help you stay organized and on top of your commitments. Let's start by heading over to your Google Calendar. If you haven't already, log into your Google account and navigate to the calendar page. It's a hub for all your scheduled events and a powerful tool when used to its full potential. One of the first things you can do to enhance your productivity is to create separate calendars for different areas of your life. For instance, you might want one for work-related tasks, another for personal appointments, and perhaps even one for specific projects. Having these distinct categories can help you quickly differentiate between various aspects of your schedule. It makes managing multiple responsibilities far simpler and more organized. Speaking of organization, assigning unique colors to your different calendars or even specific events can be greatly beneficial. With just a glance, you can see what kind of task is coming up. For example, you might use blue for work events, green for personal activities, and red for deadlines or urgent matters. This visual separation helps in prioritizing tasks and prevents overlap in scheduling. Next, let's explore the different views available in Google Calendar. By clicking on the View drop-down menu, you can switch between day, week, month, or agenda views. Each offers a different perspective on your schedule, so play around with them to find out which one aligns best with your preferences and needs. Whether you're planning day by day or looking to get a broader picture of your month, the right view can make all the difference. It's also essential to set up reminders for your events. In Google Calendar, you can configure notifications to ensure you never miss important deadlines or appointments. Notifications can be tailored to suit your needs, giving you freedom over how far in advance you want to be reminded. A handy feature within Google Calendar is the Tasks feature. You can create and manage to-do lists directly within your calendar view. This way you can see your to-do items alongside your scheduled events, ensuring everything you need to focus on is in one place. Additionally, when scheduling meetings, including the meeting location address, can help avoid any last-minute confusion. Having all the details in one place ensures that you and your attendees know exactly where to be, saving valuable time. Finally, take advantage of setting up recurring events, especially for meetings or routines that occur regularly. This not only saves you time in scheduling, but also provides consistency in your calendar. By following these tips, you're on your way to a more organized and efficient calendar. Thanks for watching, and be sure to try out these strategies to maximize your productivity with Google Calendar.